Why is Zelenskyy warning of a massive Russian strike after the recent deadly attacks in Kyiv? The stakes have escalated dramatically, and understanding this warning reveals the tense reality facing Ukraine right now. Recently, Kyiv suffered deadly missile and drone attacks that shocked the world. These strikes targeted civilian and critical infrastructure, causing casualties and widespread damage. Such attacks are not random. They represent a clear escalation in Russia's military tactics, aiming to weaken Ukraine's morale and infrastructure ahead of a larger offensive. The timing and scale suggest preparation for something far more destructive. President Zelensky's warning about a massive Russian strike is both a strategic alert and a call for unity. He wants Ukrainian citizens to brace themselves for intensified attacks and urges international partners to increase support. This warning reflects intelligence reports indicating Russia's plans to escalate military actions, possibly involving larger missile barrages or ground offensives. It's a dire heads-up to prepare defenses and resilience. The timing of Zelensky's warning is crucial. Russia appears to be gearing up for a major push to break Ukrainian defensive lines and morale before winter. Recent attacks serve as a prelude to this push, designed to exhaust Ukraine's resources and sow fear. Understanding this timing helps explain why the warning feels urgent and why Ukraine is rallying both its people and allies to withstand the coming storm. This warning is not just for Ukraine. It's a signal to global allies that the conflict is reaching a critical point. Increased military aid, intelligence sharing, and sanctions could be decisive in Ukraine's ability to repel larger attacks. Zelensky's message seeks to galvanize the international community to act swiftly and decisively, highlighting the conflict's global stakes. Zelensky's warning of a massive Russian strike reveals how close Ukraine is to a dangerous escalation. Understanding this helps you grasp the high stakes of this conflict and why global attention and support matter now more than ever. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.